Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Stony Plain, Alberta. This charming town sits just west of Edmonton and is known for its rich history, beautiful murals, and friendly small-town feel. Stony Plain was first settled in the late 1800s by farmers, ranchers, and traders, drawn to the area by its open grasslands and good farmland. The town's name comes from the stony soil found in the area, left behind by glaciers long ago. Today, Stony Plain is a peaceful community with a strong connection to its past. One of its most famous features is the many outdoor murals painted on buildings around town. These colorful paintings tell stories about local history, people, and events. Surrounded by rolling farmland and prairie skies, the town has kept its quiet, welcoming feel while still offering modern shops and services. It's a place where history, art, and community come together in a special way. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Stony Plain, Alberta. Thanks for watching!